before we get started, let's measure this truck because it looks like it's got a little bit of rake. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna measure it from here to here and on the back the same way. We're gonna record what we're at now and what we're at when we're done. So let's see what we got. The rough estimate at the end of the wheel is 34 and a half. 34 and a half. On the rear, we're looking at about 36 and a quarter. So 34 and a half up front, 36 and a quarter in the rear. Let's see how much we improve that. Alrighty guys, we have been working our tails off on this thing. We got it looking really, really good. Everything's looking perfect. We want to measure it now, kind of see where we're at now. Up front, we were 34 and a half up front. We're gonna measure it right now and see where we're at. So we were 34 and a half to the center of the wheel, and now we are 37 and a half to the center of the wheel. So that's 3 inches up front. Let's see where we're at the rear. All right, we were 36 and a quarter at the rear before. Let's see where we're at now. Center of the wheel, 39 and a quarter. Look at that, 39 and a quarter. That's 3 inches at the front, 3 inches at the rear. We got this sucker up here. It's looking really, really good. Everything is looking really good on this truck. Oh.